Hello, Richard here from Eagle6. We're just doing another testing video. So this one is a TM MK46, which is obviously the NGRS model. This is got some upgrades on it. We've done the warhead base motor, 35k. We've done the Psionic AEP upgraded bucking. We've got the Eagle6 upgraded mainspring and 3 spacers. We've got the Eagle6 bearing set for Mark 46. We've done a Dean's connector on the front, and we've got it set at about 272 feet per second, and we've got it set up to shoot 3.2 ammo. So groupings are very, very good at distance, and obviously they hit well as well. So obviously all good things for getting hands going up, and we're just going to demonstrate it working now. There we go, so all tested working. Lovely gun. We hope you enjoy. Any problems, let us know, but otherwise we hope you enjoy the build. Thank you.